Hey guys, coming back for bedtime. Coming back today to tell you what my macros were today. And I went over by one carb and I got to get used to this. I've been being well below my carbs, but I was so low on my protein today and I really needed to try to get closer to it that it bumped me up to one carb over trying to get that. But otherwise, I'm not mad at it. So my carbs today were 20 out of 19. My fat was 166 grams out of 151. So I went over on my fats, but I'm not mad at it. It's not by a ton. And then my protein was 120 out of 122. So that's not bad. I pretty much hit my protein, and I did go over on my calories, 2125 out of 1923. So those are today's carbs. For breakfast, I forgot, you guys, I forgot to put my MCT oil in my coffee, and I definitely felt it. Usually, that is my coffee every single morning. 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, 1 tablespoon of MCT oil, and then whatever if I want like a sweetener, sugar-free sweetener in there. But I always use my MCT oil, and this is the first day I have it, and I definitely felt it. I was very groggy, but I had a Bang energy drink, and that kind of helped. I actually sipped on one for the entire day. So I had my one regular coffee, and then I had that, which is 0 carbs, 0 calories, 0 everything for that. I had 2 of these sparkling ice. I love these. These are also 0 everything. And then for lunch, I went to Wendy's and I had a Baconator plain with no bun, but I did use a packet of mayo. And then for dinner is where it kind of got crazy. I was trying to meet my proteins and fats, and I kind of just went overboard. I mean, like I said, it wasn't a horrible amount. So for dinner, I had 3 fried eggs and 5 pieces of bacon, but I was still way under. So I had a piece of 90-second bread, and I had a handful of blueberries, and then I had made hamburger helper for the kids, so I saved some ground beef for myself to use in like salads, for taco salads and stuff. So I put about half a cup of ground beef on a plate with some melted shredded cheese and some romaine lettuce and 2 tablespoons of ranch dressing. And then I had 1 cherry tomato and a half a cup of the mint enlightened ice cream. So I'm really full. I didn't need to eat all of that, and I probably wouldn't have eaten all of that, but I had a comment on my prior video of somebody mentioning how important it is to meet your protein, and they were right. It is very important to meet your proteins. That's not something that you want to go low on, and I was under, and it just made me more like self-aware, and so I think I was overly trying today, and I don't want to do that because it forced me to eat when I really wasn't hungry. So I'm just gonna do me. I'm gonna do my best to try to meet my protein, and no, nothing against the person that said that. They're correct. They were completely correct, but it just made, I spiraled. It was just me, but yeah, that's it. So, I mean, I didn't go over terribly. I'm not mad about it. I'm really hoping that tomorrow morning my weight will be lower. Yesterday morning, or not yesterday, this morning, I was 250.6, which is my lowest of low. My previous was 250.8. So 250.6, I'm really hoping that I can get into that 249 tomorrow morning. I'm hoping and hoping and hoping. I did take Link for a walk today, and I after work I took my car and I cleaned that out and I vacuumed, shampooed, etc., etc. So yeah, I can't believe it's already 10:17. This time change is really messing with me. I am not ready for bed at all. I have so much energy right now. I could clean the entire house, I'm telling you. So Not sure what we're doing for dinner tomorrow. I really need to get back into my meal prepping. But this video is only about my macros and I'm getting way into it. I just want to talk. Okay, you guys, good night. I'll see you tomorrow.